Assalamu alaikum, our dear students. Today we have a new lesson in Unit 9. The title of the lesson is User Guide 1. The user guide اللي هو دليل الاستخدام. We find this like a small booklet with any new product we buy, like a TV, a recorder, a telephone, or even a fridge. As usual, you have to open the Technical English 1 course book and please go to page 72. Okay, let's first look at the objectives of our lesson today. We have two objectives and they are combined, مرتبطين ببعض. Identifying a problem in a device or an electrical set, تحديد المشكلة في جهاز كهربائي. And how to give instructions to solve a problem in a device or an electrical set. ازاي تحل المشكلة أو تدي تعليمات لحل المشكلة. Before we start, we have a very important word. This word is flowchart. Do you have any idea of a flowchart? Okay, I will show you three pictures of flowchart. This is a flowchart. This also is a flowchart. And this is another flowchart. Flowchart is like a map. It shows you the relationships between steps, different steps. Okay, you move from this step to that and to the third step, and here you have 2 or 3 options. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then when you go to this step, you have 1, 2, 3 options, and also here we have start, input, process, or end. So the flowchart shows you a whole process from the beginning, from the start to the end. Now let's move to the first exercise in our lesson today, and it's a listening exercise. You are going to listen and complete the flowchart. Here we have a flowchart that has 3 steps. 1, press something. 2, does something. Okay, we have a question here with does. If the answer is no, you have to check something. Before we complete the flowchart, let's read what we have on the left. Press the power button. If the computer does not start, check the green LED. Now listen to complete the flowchart. As usual, you're going to listen twice. Ready? Go.
Unit 9, Recording 52. Press the power button.
Okay, I'm pressing it.
Does the computer start?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Check the green LED.
Let's listen again.
Unit 9, Recording 52. Press the power button.
Okay, I'm pressing it.
Does the computer start?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Check the green LED.
Okay, now let's check the answers together. Press the power button. Yes, very good. Does the computer start? No, so check the green LED. This is related to this. We have here sentences, okay, or some sort of conversation, محادثة, and from this we were able to make this flow chart. Now, let's study the language, the grammar. Here, we do this with using the word if, لو, إذا. Okay, the part or the sentence with if is called the condition, الشرط, and the other part is called instruction, الإجراء أو التعليمات اللي بتعطى. Let's look at the first one. If the car starts, drive away. لو السيارة اشتغلت, drive away, تقودها. So here in F we use the present simple. We added S to the verb start because the car is singular, and the drive away is sort of imperative كأنها جملة أمر مفيش فاعل هنا. If the car doesn't start, check the battery. If the car doesn't start, also we used doesn't because the car is singular, check the battery. If the light is off, is in the present and it's singular because the light is singular, press the power button. If the light is off, لو الضوء مش مفتوح, press the power button. اضغط على زر التشغيل. If there is a disk in the drive, take it out. هنا بنتكلم على الكمبيوتر. لو في ديسك في الدرايف شيله, خرجه بره. If there is a disk in the drive, take it out. We used is because a disk is singular also. Okay, now we're going to make sentences with if, like these ones. Okay, like here, if, but based on the information or the short dialogues here. Let's look at the first one as an example. Here, is the light on? No, it isn't. Okay, press the switch. So we are going to use if, okay, the light is or isn't, we're going to use isn't. On, press the switch. Let's look at the answer. If the light isn't on, press the switch. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Does the airboard start? No, it doesn't. Okay, turn the key. So, what do you think? Yes, we'll start with if. We'll follow this example. If the, not light here, we use airboard. If the airboard doesn't start, comma, turn the key. Good. Let's look at number 3. Are there any numbers on the screen? No, there aren't. Okay, press the keys. So, if there aren't any numbers on the screen, press the keys. Let's look at number 4. Are the LEDs off? Yes, they are. Okay, push the power button. Let's follow the example. If the LEDs are off, push the power button. Number 5. Is the battery flat? Battery flat يعني فاضية. Yes, it is. Okay, either replace it, إما تبدلها, or recharge it, أو تشحنها. So, if the battery is flat, we're not going to use either. We're going to start with the verb directly, replace it or recharge it. If the battery is flat, replace it or recharge it. Do the speakers work? Yes, they do. Okay, connect them to the computer. So if the speakers work, comma, connect them to the computer. And now we're going to see the answers for the whole 6 short dialogues here. If the light isn't on, press the switch. If the airboard doesn't start, turn the key. If there aren't any numbers on the screen, press the keys. If the LEDs are off, push the power button. If the battery is flat, either replace it or recharge it. You can remove either. If the speakers work, connect them to the computer. Okay, I hope that you got the idea, and if you would like to check the dialogues, you can go back or you can look in your book and see how we use if to define the problem or identify the problem and suggest the solution, الحل. Okay, thank you. We have achieved our lesson for today, our objectives for today, and please don't forget to answer the homework on Teams after you watch the video. You have 24 hours after that to solve the homework. Good luck and see you.